Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Sinaida Capistrano Macam. I am 40 years old. I am single. I am from Philippines. I am high school graduate and attended 6-month training as a caregiver. I work in Qatar as a nanny for 2 years and 6 months. My duties there is to take care the 6 months old babies, changing diaper, feeding, bathing, and put to sleep. At the same time, I do household chores like cleaning the house, vacuuming, sweeping, iron, and washing clothes. Also, I have experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 2 years and 2 months. My duties there is cleaning the house, sweeping, vacuuming, ironing clothes, and washing clothes. Also, I have experience in Philippine orphanage as a caregiver for almost 2 years. The babies there aged 0 to 7 years old. My duties there is to supervise and monitor the safety of the children, help children good keep hygiene, bathing and grooming, prepare and organize the meal times and snack for the children, changing diaper for infants and toddlers, bring them and pick up them to school, help them to do activities. I love playing with the kids. I love making fun with the kids. Mom and sir, if you are willing to hire me as your employer, I will do my best for my job. I promise and I will assure you that I love your kids and treat your kids as my own. I am kind, I am honest, I am trustworthy, and I am understanding. For my future employer, hope to see you soon. God bless and thank you.